Raw talk. Nobody tells you this when you buy a DJI Neo 2 or a drone. You fly it through a park, maybe over grass or in a bit of wind, and when you land and actually look at it, it's already dirty. Most people either ignore it or they clean it the wrong way, risk damaging the motors or the camera. So this is just a quick, simple way of keeping mine clean and running smooth. It only takes a few minutes and it genuinely makes a difference. First thing to do is power off the drone and remove the battery. You never want to be cleaning around the motors while it still has power. It's just a simple habit that keeps everything safe. Start by gently wiping down the outer body, the shells, the arms, the underside where the dirt usually collects. You don't need to scrub hard. It's just about lifting the surface, dust and grime. After that, I focus on blowing dust out of the small gaps on the motor areas. This step is really important because dirt can build up inside over time. Just remember, never stick anything into the motors, only air, and keep it gentle. Now, with the air duster, just short bursts into the motor openings, the vents, and any tight gaps you can see. You want to blow out the dust that works. It's way inside, just the cloth can't reach. One thing though, don't ever stick anything into the motors just to get the dust out. No toothpicks, no Q-tips, just air. It's way safer and that's all you need. Makeup brush, I know it sounds random, but these things are genuinely perfect for getting into the areas that the wipes can't touch. Around the motors, under the arms, near the sensors. The bristles are soft enough that you don't risk anything, but they're great at lifting the dust out of the crevices. I use it last, kind of like a finishing pass that gets all the stuff out that the tools miss. Now the camera. This part really matters because even a small smudge on the lens will show up in your footage. You might not see it on the drone, but you'll see it in the clip. Just a few things to keep in mind while you're doing this. Don't spray anything directly onto the drone. If you're using any kind of liquid cleaner, put it on the cloth first. Don't get water inside the motors. Also, do not force the propellers to spin while you're cleaning. Just let everything be still. Just keep it gentle and you'll be fine. Anyway, that's genuinely all there is to it. Nothing complicated. Nothing you need to buy specially, just a quick routine that works. If that was helpful at all, a like means a lot, and if you've got a DJI Neo 2 and want more stuff like this, real tips, honest tests, beginner friendly guides, stick around, I've got a lot more coming. See you in the next one.